the lady that helped me find the mechanic shop told me that the way the GPS was leading me was not the way to get up there, so that probably would have had me lost in the back country, more or less around here. So I'm going to go this way, the way that I got to Hostel last time, through Villamaria. And once there, I'll navigate to the road, but I think I should be good. Okay, so let's go. Wow, what an adventure. Looks like we're about 30 minutes away from Villamaria, which is where I need to start the ascent to the hostel. So, depending on how bad the conditions are, which I'm hoping they won't be too bad, I'd say maybe another hour to get to the hostel. Could be longer, could be shorter. We shall see. Okay, here we go. This is Villamaria. I'm heading to the Barrio Turin. Basically, the GPS does not route me in the right area, and that's, I guess, why Hostel Laguna keeps telling me to not go that way. So I need to go up to Calle 5 here and then take a left. And then I think once I get to Turin, I'll remember the way, because it's basically like, it's just one road, essentially. Yeah, so I remember this little bit. And then after that, it's a straight shot up the mountain. Oh yeah, okay, so they're good. This is the right track, which I'm very glad. The GPS was trying to route me 2 hours back, and man, that was not going to be a happy day for Scotty if that was the case. Okay. It's definitely been raining here, which means there's definitely going to be mud up later, but good time to practice my skills. All right, so I'm just going to repeat my mud riding lessons to myself. So first of all, stand when possible. Speed is not a bad thing, although you're not trying to be a speed demon through here. Let the bike do its thing, and don't give up immediately. You know, so if I feel it fighting, give it a little bit of gas, maybe. Try to keep that rear wheel with some traction. Not today, dog, not today. It looks like a disaster over there. Definitely not. Oop, well, there we go. Gave it a little bit of gas. Yeah, I was avoiding the horrible line option, and then I got myself right into a not great line option. Here she goes, come on. Yeah, boy. This be some muddy stuff. Gets tiring being, you know, standing up there and properly riding the terrain. It's not really raining, it's like dripping. I wonder if Chewie might benefit from a peek up, or at least the opportunity. My little cheeky lean. I love this dog. Man, that is close. Do not envy those truck drivers, but yeah, hopefully he's not going to get stuck there. All right, I took a quick stop. It's a little dangerous because I'm changing the GoPro batteries in the rain. It's not like pouring rain, which is why I could stop, but still, like, I don't know, it's water around sensitive electronics. In the long run, it's not going to end up well, I know that. But, you know, whatevs. I can always buy another camera. But it'd be really hard to show you all what this trip is like without footage, so hopefully we'll get it. Alright, this always gave me problems both times last time, mostly because it was dry and this is the only wet section, so I came around, you know, and was not expecting that. And here we go. We're right there. The turnoff to Laguna is really close. So close. I'm so excited. Chewie's like, all right, step 1, I'm gonna run into the room. Step 2, jump on the bed. Step 3, I'm gonna move my dirty butt and wet fur all over the bed. And you can't stop me, Dad. You owe me this. True, buddy. I do owe you that. You are accurate. Ah, yeah. Ooh, there we go. That was not a good example of a low-speed turn. Crank to the right, followed by panic. Do not do that at home, ladies and gentlemen. But everything's okay, because I'm within sight of the hostel. Yeah! Oop, there we go. Boop, boop, boop. Hola Alejandra.
Where were you?
Viajando. ¿Tienes espacio para esta noche?
Sí.
Claro. Me voy a sentarme, descansar. Pero sí, ¿regresas? Es un poco mojado. Hola, ¿qué más? ¿Cómo le va? ¿Todo bien?
No, ¿cómo está? Claro.
Entonces ayúdame a atenderlo.
Sí, claro. Voy a descargar este chiqui, me voy a sentar y hablamos.
Listo, hágale, todo bien.
Yo creo que el cerezo no.
Sí.
Yo creo que lo podemos acomodar en el cuarto del 5.
So that's Alejandra, the owner of the place. Whew. Chewie, we are here, buddy. Okay, I've arrived at Hostal de Laguna after 25 kilometers of off-road. Some pretty muddy, and my riding skills definitely came in handy. Thank you, Capital Rider, for the wonderful training courses. I have to say, there are a few places that really feel like home in this world, and this is one of them. It's just an amazing place, amazing people, amazing hospitality, and I just feel super welcome every time I come in. It's chilly, and there is mist rolling through the mountains in the background, if you can see it. Let me see if I can focus. There you go. Look at that. That's the vista. Yeah, I'm gonna sit down, I'm gonna charge all my electronics, I'm gonna do some work, do some editing, throw in some warm clothes because I am soaked. My Aero Stitch has got the Aero Stitch crotch going on, meaning it's leaking in the crotch area, which is definitely a quick way to ruin a rainproof feeling. And Chewie needs his little vest dried out as well. He's pretty rainy and soaked. Yeah, it was just basically 2 days of constant rain. So, you know, I can understand. All right, well, I'm gonna sign off for now and get some food.